All right, folks, the Sofabaton U1. This is an advanced remote. Let's go ahead and get it open. And I previously had a roku, like a roku remote that had extended buttons and everything. Actually got both of them still. I found them really incredible, so decided I would get something like this to combine more devices. And before we get started, you can see there that this will do Amazon, Roku, Apple TV. It'll run all those things. So, quick user guide, low battery. So this should talk about you have to get the Sofabaton app, connect remote with your phone, add device, and you will be rocking and rolling. So this is a pretty nice ergonomic feel to it, nice and smooth, and it actually comes with 2 AA batteries, so that's pretty cool. Battery compartment pops off the back. And I'll do another video where I'll actually program this. I don't know if there's anything else underneath here. No. So that's all for this video. We're just unboxing it. We will do a full review and operation video in the future. Thanks for checking it out.